Hey there, I'd like to share my review on these lights. I actually have two of them set up here in my dining room to shed light on this area where I'm doing some different workouts that I'm actually publishing online. And so I purchased these because this area was just super dark, and with these extra lights, it's helping me make those videos even better. So if you'd like to close the light itself, you can see that it's just a box panel. You do have the different connectors here so you can make it taller or shorter. It folds up into a little bag. So here's the bag that you can carry it around in. It also has instructions, and then it also has clips here if you want to clip it to something else. As you can see, it kind of just like flips up, and then you open this up and you can put it on something else. And then you, instead of plugging it in, you also have these as an option too. If you need something with more that C port and you don't have the blocks that have like this wide piece. So you do have to provide your own blocks for plugging it in. So like I have my cord here that's going to an outlet. Otherwise, hopefully you find these lights as helpful as I am in recording videos.